Hello and welcome. Once you have your workflow up and running, you may need to modify the workflow, which may already have pages and posts currently in progress of your workflow. This video will show you how to modify an existing workflow which has pages and posts in the workflow. To remove a post that has already been submitted to a workflow, click on the Workflows tab and then click on Workflow History. Now we can see all the pages and posts that have been submitted to the workflow. Now click on the post and page that you would like to remove from the workflow and then click on Abort Workflow. You can abort a page or post during any step of the process that the workflow is in. This function of aborting posts and pages from a workflow is only available to admins. Now, if we go to Workflow Admin and click on Edit Workflows, we can see that the posts and pages in the workflow are 0. Now we can go ahead and click on Edit to begin modifying the process of the workflow. You can also modify your existing workflow by making a new version of it. Before or after making the new version, it's important that you specify an end date on the previous version. Once you are done, click Save. Once you have done so, and click on the link to save it as new version. Now you will see that a new version of your original workflow has been created. You can now begin to add and modify the configurations of your workflow process. Once completed, be sure to specify the start and end date for the new workflow. Once you are done, click Save. Now that our new workflow is active, we can test it out. You can now see that any new posts that we create and submit to the workflow will only be submitted to the new version of the workflow. In addition, all the old pages and posts that are still in the old version of the workflow will still continue using version 1 until the workflow is completed. Again, all new pages and posts will only use version 2 of the workflow. This allows you to retire an old workflow process and introduce a new workflow seamlessly without any interruptions. As you can see, the Oasis Workflow plugin brings organization, efficiency, and an increase in productivity to your workflow.